Hey y'all, welcome to Sunflower Tasha DIYs. I'm Tasha. I like to do arts, crafts, DIYs, recreations, Bible journaling, thrift, and trash flips on my channel. I hope you guys enjoy my video today.
Okay guys, we are back today with the last day of the 12 days of DIYs for Christmas. Day 12 today is thrift items for the holidays, and I found a really good deal for what I'm about to show you guys today. But our host, Rustic and Lace DIYs, Molly Cole Creations, I want to say thank you so much for putting this playlist on for us. And I paid $3, you guys, for this cute little window piece here. It's like a window pane here. And I'm pulling off all the glue that held on the reef, spraying it down with some 90% alcohol. And I'm going to wash up the little windows here. I do the front 3 times and the back twice. Then I'm using some antique wax, and I'm just going to go over the top of the frame here. And I'm going to go all the way around, and I'm going to go in between the middle here, like so. And then you just want to put more and more on the darker you want to go with it. I just did one quick coat here over the top. This is the reef that came with it, and now I'm going to add in this pick right here that I got from Walmart. You get a whole bunch of it. It was like $4. Altogether, it was like $3 and some change. And then these 97-cent picks are also from Walmart. I'm just going to cut them off and arrange them around the reef here, like so. Get that one tucked back in there. It's looking pretty nice. And then we'll just cut off. This had some berries and a bow on it with the buffalo plaid bow. And now I'm just adding those in between here. That one on the left I did accidentally add upside down. And my brain wasn't figuring it out for a while. And then we'll just add on those last little pieces of a eucalyptus here all the way around. I thought this was really, really pretty, you guys. I did go back and add some fairy lights around this, and it turns out really beautiful in the end. So now I'm just going to take this really stiff ribbon. I believe this came from my family dollar store before it took over the plus section. So here's the end. Did you see my dog there photo bombing? I had to get that into the video here because she just did not want to move for my husband so he could record me. But the last step I did was hang it like this, and I'm just going to use my staple gun to staple down the back. I asked him over and over again, it's straight down the middle, right? He's like, yeah, and it's still crooked. So I'm going to have to go back and fix that because my brain just can't. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I'm going to show you a picture right quick with the lights turned off so you can see what it looked like. This is with the lights off with the flash. This is the lights completely off. And this is just in our living room. I love how pretty it is, and I hope you guys enjoyed my short little thrifted item today. And I just want to say, don't forget to watch the playlist and catch the host down in my description box and see what everybody else has made on their channel. Thanks!
I'd like to thank the host today for having me on the playlist, and thank you to all my subscribers and all your continued support here on my channel. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. It really helps me grow on YouTube, and I appreciate all that you do when you do that. Also, if you hit that bell button, you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you again for watching Sunflower Tasha DIYs. You can follow me on Instagram on my personal account, or you can follow me on my gallery account. My personal is obviously my personal, and then my gallery is just where I post pictures of things that I had made on my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you so much for all that you do and all your continued support. Bye!